Okay, so today we are going to unbox Atomy food products. So last time I ordered Atomy kimchi from the website, and now it arrived. So actually I don't make my own kimchi because I trust the kimchi on Atomy website and Atomy kimchi because I know that it is clean and it is delicious as well. So I always order our kimchi on Atomy website. So it comes with the styro, so it's really safe. So it looks like this, and then there is also a tape here. It says Atomy tape. So we are going to open it now. Okay, so let's see how they pack the Atomy kimchi. Okay, it's actually a radish kimchi. So this is how it looks like inside. So there is Atomy also ice pack, which make it fresh until you receive the product. And this is how it looks like. So here, and then here it is really safe, and it was packed. It was well packed. And yes, let's see inside. Okay, so I'm going to cut this one so we can see. Oh my god, I need the scissors. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this so that we can see how does it looks inside. So this is our radish kimchi. So there is another plastic inside. So this is how it looks like, and this is actually my third time to buy this because it's really delicious and we love this. So if you are in Korea, then you want to buy something safe and something delicious, kimchi, and you can't make it by yourselves, then I think you need to buy on the Atomy website. Okay, so thank you so much and see you again. Bye.